security. One of those telecom experts is our next guest, Hugh Odom. He is the founder and president of Vertical Consultants, telecom and cell tower consulting firm. Hugh, welcome to the show this morning. An interesting take that you have right now around this revolutionary kind of technology, obviously AI, and what we're seeing with 5G. You say that governments could potentially use 5G technology for censorship. Can you break down what you mean by that and how exactly this technology could be used to that end?
Sure. Well, the big thing that came back a few years ago, back in 2018, under the Trump administration, was the nationalization of 5G. That basically means they take over the wireless highways, let's say, that provide 5G service to everybody in the United States. And that was kind of debunked and put to the side. But that discussion has been raised again by certain outside advisors of the Biden administration, mostly because the United States is falling behind China and other Asian countries in the rollout of 5G. We're just behind. That's the easiest way to say it. And so they're looking at it as a way to get nationalization. Now, do I believe that's going to happen? Most likely not, but it's something in discussions. And by doing that, they can throttle what is being delivered to Americans all throughout the United States, because 5G is the delivery system for information and applications. Yeah. And if you cannot get it delivered to you, or you're censored with regards to what gets delivered to you, that is just as bad as somebody saying to Twitter or Facebook, don't publish this article, suppress this information, etc.